3, 2, 1, start. Earlier, when the present government appeal against the judgment and order of acquittal dated 18/12/2006 had been taken up by this court after the issuance of notices upon respondent numbers 1 and 2, a preliminary objection had been raised on behalf of the respondent numbers 1 and 2 as well as respondent number 3. The Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) regarding the maintainability of the appeal on behalf of the state of Bihar. After hearing the parties by order dated 29/2007, it was held that the present appeal by the state of Bihar is maintainable. The matter has now been heard on the issue of grant of leave to appeal and admission on the merits of the case. Respondent number 1, who was accused number 1 in the court below, was charged for the offences under section 13(1)(e) read with section 13(2) of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 of having amassed assets disproportionate to his known sources of income during the period between 10/3/1990 to 31st/3/1997 in his own name and in the name of his wife Srimati Rabri Devi, respondent number 2, their 7 daughters and 2 sons, to the extent of rupees 4626,826.87, which he could not satisfactorily account for. Respondent number 2, who was accused number 2 in the trial court, was charged for the offences under section 109 IPC read with section 13(1)(e) read with section 13(2) of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 for abetting respondent number 2 in the commission of the said offence by not only keeping a large number of assets valued at rupees 19,97,191.38 out of the said disproportionate assets of her husband, either in her own name and or in the name of her children, but also by falsely claiming her separate income by way of dairy business, agricultural income and income from rent in the income tax returns filed for the years 1986-87 to 1996-97 in 1996 with obvious motive to screen and save the respondent number 1 from legal action for the possession of the said disproportionate assets by him. The admitted position is that the respondent number 1 was the Chief Minister of the state of Bihar from 10/3/1990 to 28/3/1995 and again after a short break of a week from 4/4/1995 to 25/7/1997. It was alleged that during the page 1607 check period of 10/3/1990 to 31st/3/1997, he had a total income from sources known to the prosecution of rupees 16,55,386.03, whereas his expenditure during the period was rupees 20,17,557.52, and further he had immovable and movable assets amounting to rupees 42,64,656.38. On the basis of the said figures, it was alleged that during the check period, the accused respondent number 1 was found in possession of disproportionate assets to the extent of rupees 46 lakh 26,806.87, being the after deducting the income during the period from the expenditure incurred and the assets acquired during the check period. Stop.